हेलो फ्रेंड्स, फिर से हम लोग कुछ सम करेंगे जिसमें कुछ सम लिमिट का होगा, कुछ सम कंटिन्यूटी का, डिफरेंशियबिलिटी का। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द सम। अभी हमारे पास एक क्वेश्चन है कि इफ़ x टेंस टू ज़ीरो लिमिट f(x by sin square x is 8 and x tends to 0 limit gx by 2 cos x minus x e raised to x plus x cube plus x minus 2 is lambda. Then we have to find this value, and what will be the value of lambda? Lambda is what? So this given information, x tends to 0 limit fx by sin square x, this we can write x tends to 0 limit fx by sin square x by x square into x square is given it. So fx by x square is equal to it. This implies fx is equal to 8x square. Again, x tends to 0 limit gx by 2 cos x minus x e raised to x minus plus x cube plus x minus 2. अब हम यहाँ पे cos x और एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन का एक्सपेंशन लगाएंगे. दिस इज गिवन लैम्डा. सो x टेंस टू 0 लिमिट gx by 2 into 1 plus 1 minus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial or 4 by minus x 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube plus x minus 2. This implies x tends to 0 limit gx by these two and this one will be cancelled out. Here is minus x and here plus x, so this also cancelled out. Now what is left? 2 into 2, that is minus 2x square plus x cube by 3 and some higher power of x. So let us suppose higher powers of x, and this is lambda given. So we can write gx is equal to minus 2x square plus x cube plus 3 plus higher order of x power 4 into lambda. Now gx and fx both obtained. So now we have to find x tends to 0 limit x tends to 0 limit 1 plus 2 fx all raised to 1 by gx, and that is 1 by e. It is in the form 1 raised to infinity. So this implies e raised to x tends to 0 limit 2fx by gx. This is 1 by e. अब यहाँ पे हम fx और gx का वैल्यू रख देंगे. e raised to x tends to 0 limit 2 into minus here what is given fx 8x square divided by what is this gx was this minus 2x square plus x cube by 3 minus 2x square plus x cube by 2 or 3 x cube by 2 it is not 3 it was 2 plus dot dot into lambda and this is equal to 1 by e raised to minus 8 by lambda is equal to e raised to minus 1. This implies lambda is equal to 8. So this is the answer. Now we will go to the next problem. Let us say this is the problem. In this problem what is said कि gx with the inverse of fx and f dash x is this, then what is this? Okay, so let's do this question. Since gx is the inverse of fx, so we can write f of gx is equal to x. Now differentiate it with respect to x. So it will be f dash gx into g dash x is equal to 1 and therefore g dash x is equal to 1 by f dash gx. f dash x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x raised to 5. It is given. So f dash gx will be 1 by 1 plus gx raised to 5. Therefore g dash x is equal to 1 plus gx 5. This is the value of g dash x. Now we have to differentiate it again. Now d2 of gx divided by dx. This is equal to d by dx of Now g dash x was this. So this we can also write 5 gx to the power 4 into 1 plus and hence the answer is this. C is the answer. So friends, इसको देखें, समझे, ये इन्वर्स से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन है जिसमें हम लोगों ने कंपोजिट फंक्शन का एप्लीकेशन किया है. अब हम एक और क्वेश्चन बनाएंगे. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. अब यहाँ पे देखें इस क्वेश्चन में क्या कहा गया. एफ एक्स इज सम फंक्शन and we have to find the first derivative of the function at different points. Okay, so for this lots of methods are there. We can do this question by 3 methods: graphical method, normal method, and one more method I am applying, and I think that method will be more simple. Let's do this question. We have fx is equal to 2 plus mod x plus mod x minus mod x minus 1 minus x plus 1 का mod. अब हम इसके ऑड और इवन फंक्शन का नेचर चेक करते हैं कि कौन सा फंक्शन है. तो रिप्लेस x by minus x, then it will be f minus x is equal to 2 plus this minus this minus this. We can write this 2 plus mod x minus x plus 1 minus x minus 1. So again it is fx. This means fx is even function. Now derivative of even is odd. So f dash x is odd function. Therefore f dash minus half plus f dash half will be 0, as f dash minus x is minus f dash x. Therefore for x greater than 1, fx is equal to x greater than 1, fx is equal to 2 plus x minus x minus 1 minus x plus 1, and this is 2 plus x minus x plus 1 minus x minus 1. So this is